how is everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys. And guys, I'm so pumped about this one. So, as of recording this video, it is February 7th. Yesterday was my birthday, February the 6th. I probably won't drop this video out till Sunday the 11th. So by the time you guys watch this, I would have already had 4 days with the device. But guys, yesterday on my birthday, I figured I had a little bit of money. I wanted to go ahead and get something nice for myself. It's been a while since I purchased something nice for myself. I saw on Amazon that they had the Essential phone on payments. Alright? So, you guys know I just wrapped up coverage on my on the Amazon Fire 10 HD tablet. Y'all will see that 3-month video and wrap-up video. Also on the same day you're going to see this unboxing video. So I just wrapped up that coverage and I figured, okay, we got to figure out what else to get. Let's get something else on payment plan. I saw the Essential phone come up on payment plan and I figured, okay, I got to get this. It's a really great price and I got to get it. So I'm going to go ahead and spoil it for y'all. Out the door at checkout, it was it's $100 a month for 5 months. So I'll be making payments on the Essential phone for 5 months. So it's $100 plus taxes. So after taxes, it was 35 bucks. So all together out the door at checkout on Amazon, this ran me $135. And then after today, I'll be making $100 a month payments for 5 months. So I had the money. It was a decent price. I wanted to treat myself to something. So I decided to pick up the Essential Phone PH1. So right here, what I have for you guys is my unboxing and first impressions. And really, this is a true unboxing and first impressions because all I did was cut the tape, take it out of the Amazon box, which it came really, really well protected. So kudos Amazon and kudos Essential. Cut the protective plastic, take out the phone, put my SIM card in, power it on, and go through the initial setup. So as you can see, all of the plastic and everything is still on here. So all I did was put my SIM card in, go through the initial setup. I didn't even restore any of my apps because I know some of you guys like to see the available storage out of the box. So I did a fresh setup, start like new. So after this video, I'll be installing all of my apps and all that good stuff. So anyways, without further ado, this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Essential Phone PH1 that I picked up via Amazon on Amazon payment program for $135 out the door, $100 a month. Whoo! I'm so excited right now. I didn't even plug my mic back in. I just swapped out whatever phone I had on hand, and I just lost my SIM tool. I'll find that in a minute. But opening up the box here. Okay, it's really snug. There we go. Boom, bow. Really clean box. Really no details on the box. A little bit of information about Essential Phone, what comes in the box, and some IMEI information on the side, but really clean packaging. So opening up the box, throw this cover off to the side, I want to hold on to that. We're greeted with the device itself. So we're just going to take that out for a minute, throw that on the holder. Alright. Then, after that, we have our USB to aux jack adapter because there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay. Then we got our USB Type-C cable. So this is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So should get some really fast charging with this. Then we got our power brick here. Really clean. Really liking the fact that there's no branding on any of this stuff. Thank you, Essential. I really like it. It's really clean there. Now, taking out the divider piece, we got our SIM removal tool. Alright, and wonder what else we got in here. Dropping stuff like a noob. I think that's about it. Yep, I think that's about it. There's nothing else in here. I can't get this off. I really don't want to wreck this packaging. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. SIM removal tool. Got all of your cables there. Slide that back in. Really clean. Really liking that. Really straightforward. Let me throw this off to the side real quick. And now let's take off the tape off of the device. So let's slide it in. And as I said, you can see I just got my notification email. It's doing some updates right now. And I think it did show me that I did have an update available. But let's remove the plastic and let's do a quick walk around of the device. So here we go. Be quiet now. Man, it looks clean. Yes. Yes. All right. Real quick walk around, and then we're going to get into my first impressions. Okay? So let's start with the rear here. So with the Essential phone on the rear, we have two 13 megapixel cameras. We have laser autofocus and dual LED flash. We have one primary 13 megapixel camera and one monochrome megapixel camera. We have a fingerprint sensor. We have a microphone, and then we have the connectors for the mods. And at the recording of this video, I think they only have the 360 camera mod, but I just got the phone itself. Now, more stuff about the device. Internally, I believe this guy has a 3300 milliamp hour battery. So really, really good build materials on this guy. I think it's made out of ceramic and metal. Okay. So on the bottom here, we have our speaker grill. Then we have our USB Type-C port. Then we have our SIM tray here. Then we have another microphone here. On the side, we have our power button and we have volume up and down. On the front here, we have a 5.7-inch Quad HD display and a front-facing 8 megapixel camera, I want to say. And internally, we're running 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage, no micro SD card expansion. We have a Snapdragon 835 quad-core processor in this guy and an Adreno 530 GPU. So, as of the recording of this video, it's February 7th, 2018. So I guess you can call this last year's specs right now, or this year's specs, depending on how you look at it. But this is going to be my flagship device for 2018. Okay? Alright, so that pretty much covers the walk around, and it covers a little bit of the internals. Now let's get into the first impressions. Now, literally, guys, I just got this like 10 minutes ago. All I did was put my SIM in it and go through the initial setup. I didn't even really set up anything. I did not restore my apps. So this is how it comes out of the box. So it's very, very clean. And I believe it's running Android 7.0 Nougat. And if I remember correctly, it does have a software update. So you can see that right there. Let me let that focus. Alright. So you can see that. Having some focusing issues today. But there is a software update available. But out of the box, there's really nothing here. You can see it's really, really clean. Stock Android experience. No bloat. The only custom app they have on here is the camera. But other than that, you have nothing. It's basically a stock Android device, and it's really clean. You see, you swipe to the side, you got your Google Now. All that good stuff is in here, and you can see it's really an all-stock Android experience. Really good stuff. And you can see it is unlocked, and you can see I am running it on T-Mobile, as you can tell right there. So jumping into the settings here, you can see I didn't even set up the fingerprint sensor yet. It wants me to do that right there. And let's scroll through and let's just check the storage. So this guy comes with 128 gigs of internal storage, no micro SD card. And you can see out of the box, we have, we used, just firing it up, I didn't even install anything yet. We used 17.45 gigs, and we have 116 gigs out of that 128. So out of the box, that's what we're working with. And you can see, as I said, it is running Android 7.1.1. I thought it was 7.0, but it is running Android Nougat. And I do believe that this Essential phone is slated to get Android 8.0 very, very soon. So I'm very happy that I picked this up. But first impressions, oh my goodness. I'm loving this device. I actually picked up a case as well. I don't see that case at the moment, but I did pick up a case as well, and both of those things came today. So I got the phone itself and a case. Really good stuff. But first impressions, I think I'm really going to enjoy this. If you guys don't know, I'm a really big advocate for stock Android. My Moto X Pure Edition is one of my favorite devices, and I really enjoy the stock Android experience. And this is super clean. This is basically a super stock Android device. Back in the day when I used to ROM a lot, I used to install CyanogenMod with the bare Google experience, because I wanted that stock Android experience out of the box. Even though later versions of CyanogenMod, they really went heavy on the customization, but earlier versions of CyanogenMod was very light and very stock, and I used to install that on my Nexus 4. Did I put it on my Nexus 5X? I put it on my Galaxy S3. Yeah. So I was always a big advocate for a stock Android experience, and I think I'm really going to enjoy this. And out of the box, I got to tell you guys, it's been a very fluid and snappy experience. Very fluid, very snappy, and I think I'm really going to enjoy it. Alright guys, I am pumped. I'm ready to start using this bad boy. But that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Essential Phone PH1. Y'all be on the lookout. My full review of the Essential Phone should be out in about 1.5 to 2 weeks from the posting of this video, and I'm going to go through everything. We're going to cover battery life, we're going to cover the software, we're going to cover my overall experience, we're going to go through everything. So you guys be on the lookout for my full review, which will be out really soon. And also, I'm going to have a bunch of versus videos. We're going to compare this guy to my Moto X Pure Edition, we're going to compare it to my LG G6, and we might even compare it to my Stylo 3. So we're going to have a bunch of comparisons. We're going to take a bunch of camera samples, a bunch of video samples. There's going to be a bunch of coverage on this device. And I am really excited. I don't even know if y'all could tell, but I am really excited. I cannot wait to start using this bad boy. So that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Essential Phone PH1. And man, this guy's already picking up mad fingerprints. Then I have to go pull out my microfiber cleaning cloth, get those fingerprints wiped off. But as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos to YouTube. As always, if this video has piqued your interest and you want to take advantage of this I can't even talk, I'm so excited. If this video has piqued your interest and you want to take advantage of this deal available on Amazon right now today, I don't know how long it's going to be up there. All links to where to purchase this guy will be available down below in the video description, as well as links to the case that I purchased alongside it. So if this video piques your interest, it's going to be like a one-stop shop down below in the video description. And as always, guys and gals, if you guys and gals or anyone out there looking for some high quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. I'm so pumped. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.